Performance task number 1 in UCS.
Nature, goals, and perspective of anthropology, sociology, and political science.
Anthropology. It's nature. It is the scientific study of humanity concerned with the human behavior, human biology, culture, and societies and linguistics. Anthropology goals: 1. Observe the common things among people. 2. Find out what makes people diverse from each other. 3. Create more information about humankind and human behavior with the use of researches. 4. To understand how people adapt different environmental conditions. 5. To gain more knowledge about the fossils of early humans and their ancestors through archaeology. Perspective, holism, relativism, comparison, and field work. Sociology, its nature, goals, and perspective. Its nature. It is the study of society, patterns of social interaction, social life, social change, and social causes and consequences of human behavior.
Goals: study the essence of humanity. 2. Appreciate society. 3. Teach the student the concept of behavioral and social science. 4. To understand how membership in one social group affects individual behavior.
Sociology perspective. Note: less perspective emphasizes that our social backgrounds influence our attitude, behavior, and life chances. Political science. Its nature. It is the social science concerned with the theory and practice of politics and the description and analysis of political system and political behavior. Goals: to keep social order and peace among different groups of people. 2. Make people better citizens. 3. Protect the rights of an individual. 4. To promote cooperation, governance, and values. Political perspective seeks to provide a broad discussion within the political science and profession.